I'm Tawi for today. Calculate the slope and y-intercept of a regression line. This is a formula for the slope. Is represent to small letter b. B equal in summation quantity summation xy minus quantity summation x times quantity summation y over n quantity summation x squared minus quantity summation x squared, and this is the y-intercept represent the small letter e. This is a formula. A equals summation quantity summation y minus b quantity summation x over n. This is the example. A teacher believes that excellence is a fruit of hard work and persistence. That's why he wants to prove if the number of student absences is related to their general average on peer gathered data, the recorded number of absences and general average in the recent semester are shown on the table. This is a number of absences, and this is the general average. And now, another sample. Step 1. Make a data table with 4 columns x, y, x, y, and x squared. Note the sample size in. Step 2. Complete the table. List the data for x and y n equal 7. This is the sample size 7. And this is x and y. To get interest for x, y column, multiply interest in x and y column. Para makuha nila, you multiply this 1 times 20 is equal to 20. Lahat na yun, talan na. To get interest for x squared column square the interest in the x column. Para makuha mo na x squared, i-multiply mo ano siya, i-multiply mo yun. Step 3. Find the x summation x and summation y and summation xy and summation x squared by adding the value in each column. Para makuha mo ang value nila, add mo lang yun sa tanan. So, alin na? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 37. Ayun. 98 plus 90 plus 86 plus 87 plus 85 and 85 plus 78 equals 609. And this 98 plus 180 plus 150 plus 435 plus 585 plus 765 plus 780 is equal to 3,111. Form the table we have. So, atin na table. So, pinagawa na kanyang total na value. N equals 7. So, ano siya? Ang sample size. So, summation x equal 37. So, ano siya? At total value sa x ay step 4. We now substitute this to the formula to solve for the slope and y. Slope b then quantity summation minus quantity summation x times summation over then summation quantity summation x squared minus quantity summation x squared. At ato na yun, 7. So, push. So, 7 is sample set. And 7 times 3,111 is equal to 21,777. And 37 times 609 is equal to 22,533 over 7 times 269 is equal 1,883 and 37 times 37 can be x squared is 1,369. Now, minus 9 21,777 minus 22,523 is equal to negative 756 and 1,883 minus 1,369 is equal 514. So, divide na natin. Negative 756 divided by 514 is equal to negative 1.47. So, y intercept small letter a. This is our formula. A equal quantity summation y minus b quantity summation x over a. Quantity 609 minus quantity minus negative 1.47 times 37 over 8. 609 minus negative 54.39. So, nakuha siya ka negative 54.39 ay yung times number times 20. Negative 1.47 times 37 is equal to negative 54.39 over 7. So, in transpose, so naging 609 plus 54.39 over 7. So, i-transpose ko. Ito, ano na, 609 plus 54.39 is equal to 636.39. And now, divide. 663.39 divided by 7 is equal to 94.77. And that's all for today.